Yo, what's going on, crew? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at a case for the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G, and I'm going to show you the case right now that you can pick up on Amazon real quick. It's actually a pretty decent price, and I'm gonna just go to my orders so I can show you how much that I actually spent with this case, and it's going to be extremely affordable. You know what I'm saying? It does have a little bit of a discount off as well. And this is the Spigen Tough Armor case. Right here, as you can see, the 2023 for the Galaxy A14 5G. And you can see right here, this thing, it has some decent, really good protection, probably top of the line protection on here. And right here, you could see that the outside of the case has a dual layer structure. The inside of the case has a really nice pattern to it. It's good for kickstand support. And you can see all the inner layers, outer layers, and the shell, and how thick this guy is going to be. So this is going to be a chunky guy. And so the final price of this case is $13.99, marked down from the $14.99. So they added a discount on there. It's made of 3 different materials: polycarbonate, thermoplastic, and polyurethane. And so let's go ahead and take a look at some of the images real quick. And it does support, you know, all new foam layer protection technology. Tech inside of here: shock resistance, TPU and polycarbonate dual protection from scratches and drops, and reinforced kickstand for raised lips to protect the screen and camera. And it's certified military STD 810G, which is basically got this cushion technology and anti-shock resistance inside of it. So let's go ahead and take a look at this case for the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you coming through. If you're new, but if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So let's go ahead and open up the packaging. I'm going to show you guys quickly how to set this case up out of the box. As you can see, it says the Tough Armor, Tough Armor right there. Case with one piece as well, and so it's going to say Spigen something you want. And on the back is earth-friendly packaging with carbon neutral product. And so carbon, it's basically climate neutral by Climate Partner, certifies the carbon footprint of a product is calculated, and all associations emissions were offset. So, you know, US and Canada customers only on Amazon. I'll make sure to leave the cheapest link down below. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut open the box. It does come sealed with, actually it has this quick flip mechanism right here. So earth-friendly packaging, which is something that I really do like to support. Nothing else comes inside the box except for the case right here. And so let's go ahead and take it out of the plastic right here. And I like this added touch right here with the shock absorption inside of this, the Tough Armor branding, Spigen, in Irvine, California, made in Korea. You can see the right here at the bottom, it's going to say Tough Armor. Then you get your fingerprint cutout right here. So the Tough Armor cutout, well, the branding, then the fingerprint, the bottom volume rocker, and then the top volume rocker, all flat on the edges, completely flat. You get your Type-C cutout. You also do get your speaker cutout, and you do get your, I'm talking about, microphone cutout. Then on the other side, completely smooth. So it's got a nice smooth texture across it, but it's matte material, matte black material. But on the back is the kickstand with the Spigen logo inside of it. Let me just give you a close up of that so you can see what I'm talking about. And then the matte part is gonna be right here at the top. So you're gonna get that matte texture on the bottom and top, as well as in the different texture right here. And so that's pretty solid. And then let me just open this up so you can see the different layers. On this part it says something you want, Spigen, and then you know, you can't take out the yellow layer, but it does have that Spigen material branded inside of it, but that's basically the dual layer structure. And then you can see right here, this is the case. So what I'm gonna do is put this part on first, so it could go on real nice and comfortably, and it just kind of molds to the phone perfect. And then you could put the second layer on right over top of it, and it just kind of fills in, so you get really good camera cutout support and shock absorption on the back right there. And then on the, it kind of blends into the TPU structure, and then the harder layer is going to reinforce it, so the fingerprint actually works perfectly. It adds a little bit of bulk to the phone, but just to throw it out there, this is going to have really good lip protection as well as camera protection. So honestly, this is going to be pretty solid. And then you're going to get the kickstand support right here, so that you can do videos and stuff like that with the kickstand, and it's going to work in that horizontal fashion, so landscape mode but not portrait when you're watching videos. Okay, the fingerprint cutout works perfect. The volume rockers actually feel really nice. It doesn't feel like it's real resistant, so they feel really clean when I'm hitting the volume rockers. And then, you know what I'm saying, I like how this phone has that double click option to get to the camera, so I'm able to get to that button really easily when I'm doing it. And then if I long hold, you get your reset and restart. But all the buttons work phenomenally so far. So really nice lip protection, really nice camera support. Really like the matte back feel on this case. It feels solid in the hand, rounded corners with shock absorption on all four sides. You got this nice lip, which is kind of carved perfectly to the phone. Decent grip in the hand. So overall, I really like how it has that hard material on the back for reinforcement and everything like that. But let me know what you guys think about the Spigen Tough Armor case for the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G, and I'm gonna check you guys later. But in the meantime, make sure you have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.